He stopped texting you back, started acting different, colder, distant, unpredictable. And now you're sitting there thinking, did I do something wrong? Should I text him first? Should I fix this? So you reach for your phone. You type, you delete, you type again, and then you send it. That message, that's the moment you lost control. Because the truth is, men don't pull away because you did something wrong. They pull away to see how you react. And most women fail that test instantly. They chase, they explain, they overgive. And in doing that, they destroy their own value. But what if I told you the moment he pulls away is actually your moment of power? Not when you speak, not when you explain, but when you do something most people are too emotionally weak to do. Nothing. 1. The illusion of control. Most women believe, if I communicate better, I can fix this. If I show more love, he'll stay. If I explain myself, he'll understand. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't control attraction through effort. You control it through emotional discipline, boundaries, and strategic absence. Because attraction is not logical, it's psychological. The more you try to control it directly, the more it slips away. 2. Why men pull away. Deep psychology. Let's break this down honestly. When a man pulls away, it's usually because he feels too comfortable. He senses no challenge. He knows you're emotionally attached. He believes you won't leave. And once he feels that, he stops investing. Not because he hates you, but because there's no tension anymore, and attraction requires tension. 3. The power of ignoring. Ignoring is misunderstood. People think it's manipulation. It's not. Ignoring is controlled detachment. It's saying, I will not reward behavior that disrespects me. It's silence with intention, not emotional silence, power silence. 4. What happens in his mind when you go silent? When you stop chasing, something very specific happens in his mind. Phase 1, relief. Okay, she's not pressuring me. Phase 2, curiosity. Why is she quiet? Phase 3, doubt. Did I mess up? Phase 4, anxiety. Is she talking to someone else? Phase 5, re-engagement. He reaches out. Why? Because you removed certainty, and uncertainty creates obsession. 5. Why most women fail this. They can't sit in silence. They need reassurance. They need clarity. They need response. So they break. They text, they explain, they chase. And every time they do, they teach him, I don't have to try. She'll come to me. 6. Ignoring versus manipulation. Clarity section. Let's make this clear. Ignoring is not playing childish games, trying to control him, punishing him. Ignoring is self-respect, emotional control, boundary enforcement. If your silence is to control him, you lose. If your silence is to protect yourself, you win. 7. Real-life scenarios. 1. He stops texting. Old reaction, you double text. Powerful reaction, you disappear. Result? He either returns with effort or he reveals he never valued you. 2. He becomes inconsistent. Old reaction, you ask for explanations. Powerful reaction, you reduce access. Result? He adjusts or he fades. 3. He disrespects you. Old reaction, you argue. Powerful reaction, you withdraw completely. Result? He learns or loses you. 8. Building emotional discipline. Ignoring him is easy in theory, hard in practice, because your emotions will tell you, text him, fix this, don't lose him. But discipline says, if he wants access to me, he earns it, and that requires self-control, patience, confidence. 9. Detachment is attractive. The less you need him, the more powerful you become, because neediness repels, detachment attracts, not coldness, control. 10. The final truth. At the end of the day, ignoring him is not about making him chase you, it's about revealing who values you, who respects you, who deserves you. Because the truth is simple, the right man will step up when you step back, and the wrong man will disappear when you stop chasing. Finally, so next time he pulls away and you feel that urge to text, to chase, to fix, pause and remember this. The moment you feel like chasing is the exact moment you should go silent, because power is not in what you say, it's in what you refuse to give. This is just the beginning. Watch the video down below to master yourself. This is the Rose in Armor. Subscribe to the Rose in Armor to be unstoppable.